How to create a Facebook page. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a Facebook page. Let's just get right into it. The very first thing you do is open up your Facebook application. And once you are here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, simply tap on the profile or the menu icon at the top right. And once you get here, you'll have different options. Tap on these shortcuts and tap on See More. And if you see pages here, just tap on it. Once you go to pages, here you'll see a list of all of the existing pages that you manage. And if you want to add a new page or create a new one, tap on this create option. Now from here, you can create a personal profile or a public page. I'm just going to create a public page, then click on next. Now you're going to have to name your page. So I'm just going to name it something like this, and then tap on next again. Once you have done that, you can search for different categories. So let's say if a supermarket or a convenience store, I'm going to choose that, and then tap on create. Once you do that, your new page will now be created. Now from here, you can promote your products or services or create connect with fans. Then tap on continue. Choose all of these options. You can add all of these details about your business as well. I'm just going to leave it empty for now. And you can edit the action button. So just tap on next, invite your friends to like your page, send the invitation. You can get your page notification on your profile or marketing and promotional emails about your page. Keep tapping on done, and now your new page is created. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.